Hi, today I want to give you a short review on this professional wireless audio system that I just got on Amazon. So this is a perfect system for any home and professional audio production. So the system comes with transmitter, receiver, you have two antennas, this is the mounting attachment, of course microphone with the windshield and bunch of different attachments. And of course instructions. Transmitter and receiver are powered by two AA batteries. Looks like antennas can either go straight or you can bend them at different angles. And this is the close-up of a couple of the attachments. BM20 audio. That's the attachment for the hot shoe. The back of the transmitter and receiver has the metal clip. So now I have connected everything to my camcorder, and right now I'm actually using this microphone to talk about it. I just want to give you a close-up of how well made that transmitter is and what type of connection you have. As you can see, you have a threads coming out of the transmitter and the receiver, so you can secure connection and there's gonna be no loose cables. Also on this receiver, you can change the volume. Right now you can see that I'm operating on both channels. It's left and right channel. I'm connected also with my headphones so I can hear myself. And on the left, right here, this is where you connect the microphone. So you can change the volume of your headphones right now. See, right now I'm at 11. I'm going to 10 and 9. You can, I think 10 is just fine. I can operate on both channels A and B. On the side we have a switch between mix and standard. On standard right now you can only hear me on one channel. Now this is the transmitter. As you can see, operating on channel number 1. This is frequency. And if you're gonna hold the set button, then you can. Oops, I just cut off because you need to have a receiver and transmitter on the same channel. But you can change the channel by holding the set and plus and minus. And right here is where you change low cut to on and off. Now when I'm working on, I can hear that there is a very little noise coming from the outside. My AC is working right now, so I don't hear that humming sound in the background. So if you're gonna turn the low cut filter on, it will cancel the wind noise. So when any of you are gonna be thinking about buying such a system, there are probably two things that you want to ask yourself: whether the sound quality is good. So right now I'm using that microphone, you can hear me. My audio on my camcorder though is 5.1 channel. So right now I'm going to disconnect the microphone. Now my audio is coming from my camcorder, not my microphone. So this is the difference that you can hear, and I'm gonna be able to hear it after I edit this video. Now the microphone is plugged in again. And the second question that everybody would like to have answered is, what is the range of this wireless microphone? So I'm gonna go and test it now and see how far I can go having good reception. Probably most people will gonna be using this in a professional situations where the distance really matters. That's why we use wireless microphones. All right, so right now I'm going to try to go as far as I can and we'll see how far it's going to pick up. Right now I'm talking to the microphone to go up to this fire station, and we'll see if you're still gonna hear me. So I'm still talking and you can still hear me, and if you do, I think this is pretty good a distance for anyone to consider buying this microphone. And of course no cables, no hassle, and I have it mounted on my side and the receiver is mounted on my camcorder, and the wind is blowing, so hopefully you do not hear a lot of wind noise. And let's see after edit how far I was able to go to. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. I hope you liked my video. give me thumbs up or subscribe. Thank you again. Goodbye.